Was it to do with the movies, or the response that say some of your last movies or show had got, that Royal had got mixed response? I mean, there were like polarized reactions, and even to some of the movies like Mere Husband Ki Bevi, or there was Raksha Bandhan, Lady Killer, and all of those movies in between.
I think it was a culmination of everything, right? So it really breaks your heart when a film like Bheed or Afwaah doesn't work.
Yeah.
Right? What
And
happened with
such
Lady
lovely
Killer,
movies.
honestly, even we don't know, because it was an incomplete film that went out, right? And I don't think in anything was spoken about it then, because I did not want to, and I'll just stick to that as well. But as actors, it's not really in your control. It was an incomplete film that released in 4 screens, like not even theaters, 4 screen.
That's so.
And I really hope that people would have spoken about it, because everybody knew, but nobody did. And I was like, okay, it's fine. But I don't think it was that, because there was also a Bhakshak that I got so much love for. And Bhakshak was a year before that. It was just that I felt that, okay, I need to do this. There are also personal life experiences that you go through, and Royals is one of my most viewed pieces of work. It has been, मैं LA चली जाऊँ, मैं दुनिया के किसी भी हिस्से में हूँ, some non-Indian person will recognize me and be like, were you in the Royals? Okay. And I always knew that show was going to travel.
Speaking of theatrical, you said, we've reached a stage where it's all mediocre work. But tell me, as an actor,
I don't want to generalize, but I would say that वो जुनून जो मैं पहले देखती थी मुझे कम लग रहा है. Also because I don't think the right voices are getting an opportunity.
It's true. Like something like Bheed is not getting that kind of a platform.
Bheed got a platform.
उतना नहीं ना जो हम दूसरी movies को देखेंगे वैसा.
Is what I mean.
तो audience जाके देगी ना. नहीं थी. Right.
Audience, see, the onus is also on them, ma'am.
That's true.
It is not just on the filmmaker.
That's true.
तो अगर आप चाहते हो गुड कंटेंट और अच्छी फिल्म बने, आपको आके वो फिल्म देखनी पड़ेगी, क्योंकि अगर आप वो फिल्म नहीं देखोगे
तो फिर पीपल then it will not,
वो फिल्में बनेगी नहीं. वो फिल्में अभी नहीं बन रही हैं.
That's true.
So that is my whole thing. It's like, what came first, the chicken or the egg? I don't really have an answer for it. If you want good work, you have to go support small films. And I also feel somewhere also the industry, right? Because there's this narrative where everything is dependent on a Friday number. आप जो वर्ड ऑफ माउथ फिल्म्स जो होती थी वो अभी कहाँ है?
नहीं है,
क्योंकि आप फ्राइडे नंबर डिसाइड कर लेते हो, बिकॉज एवरी फिल्म डज नॉट हैव द कैपेबिलिटी ऑफ डूइंग 8 crores, 12 crores, 15 crores, 20 crores. It does not have. But does that mean it's a bad film? No.
That's true.
Word of mouth was an entire, it's an entire bracket within our films which has just completely been taken away. And that's why I feel newer voices, such good films don't get an opportunity. I feel the only film that happened with was 12th Fail. I know, because the makers were so bullish about it that they were like, no, hum rakhenge isko theatre mein, and then see what happened with 12th Fail. Lapata Ladies became Lapata Ladies after its OTT release, because जब वो release हुई थी, newcomers थे, such a beautiful film. But लोगों ने लेबल कर दिया कि नहीं, ओपनिंग नहीं है. क्या ओपनिंग डिसाइड करती है how good your film is?
That's sad that people decide.
And we all are a part of it. Let me just tell you this also. I feel there's equal responsibility of members of the media as well.
Right.
It's also the way you guys speak about the films, and by the end of it, we all are part of one fraternity. जितना हम पे इफेक्ट होता है आप पे भी हुआ, क्योंकि अगर हम एग्जिस्ट नहीं करेंगे, फिल्में एग्जिस्ट नहीं करेंगी, तो हम कैसे, we all are in it together.
Interconnected.
That's why I keep telling people, especially the ones that I feel would understand, right, that the communication needs to be better.
Okay, what I was trying to ask you is, in the theatrical space, is it difficult to maintain that kind of stardom and that kind of success that you attained, in your theatrical movies early in your career, and to do something which, as you mentioned, is meaningful, or do you want to do, and there's no harm in doing those, big tentpole movies also.
Of course.
Like, what we see, like something like Dhurandhar, or...
Of course, Dhurandhar is a great film. It's just not a tentpole film. It's a phenomenal film. I have loved the film. There is a director's voice in the film. fantastic performances. That's my everybody.
Of course, everyone.
That's
has
my
their own.
point of
Yeah,
view. That's
yeah,
the beauty of cinema as well, right? Of any art form, that everybody has their point of view.
So yeah, so you are open to doing those kind
I've
of movies,
always
all
been.
kind of
मैं
movies.
मैंने तो अगर सोन चिड़िया की सेम साल में पति पत्नी और वो भी
तो
की
किया
है,
है।
you know, तो मैं तो एक्टर, अगर मैं रॉयल्स कर रही हूँ, मैं दलबल भी कर रही हूँ, you know, so मेरा तो काम है कि मैं अलग अलग मैम भूमिकाओं और अलग अलग रोल्स में खुद को भी पुश करूँ. And I'm very optimistic
Okay.
that we are the cusp of change.